Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find inbox messages settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, and now here we'll find messages settings, click on it, and here as you see you will find inbox messages settings. Here you can manage it as you want, and that's it. That's how to find inbox messages settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.